Guys are going to work. Yeah, early in the morning here in Bucharest. How is the weather, man? Yeah, so JBD Romania has got some employees working with the Chinese in the warehouse here. We're just gonna have a look at what they do in there.
Hello guys, my name is Eric. I work in Romania. I want to encourage everyone who want to travel to Romania, who want to work in Romania, or who want to work in either Europe country, or who want to go for visit tour, should contact JBD. JBD is the best travel and tour for your visa application, work permit, flight reservation, booking, hotel reservation. Contact JBD. JBD, let my dream comes true.
Yeah, this is the code room, and the guys are in here working.
Thank you, JBD, for bringing me to Romania. I recommend JBD to everyone who want to come to Romania. As I'm working now, I'm in Europe. So I recommend JBD to everyone who really want to come to Romania to work with as I am doing. JBD, always the best.
Where are you going, Tana?
I'm going to work.
Where do you work?
Oriental Market.
Okay, what do you do?
I'm a sales attendant.
Here in Bucharest?
Yes.
And how did you get to Bucharest?
I got here through JBDTravels.
Oh, what do you have to say to JBDTravel?
JBDTravels is a legit traveling agency. It is trusted.
Thank you. Have a good day. See you there. Bye.
This is my boss. This is my boss. If someone want to work in Romania, if you contact JBD company, simple.